Hello students, our next topic is some properties of triangle. So in this exercise we have to do only two properties. So the first is angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Student, this is your theorem 7.2, but in this year the proof of theorem is deleted from your syllabus. मतलब थोड़े proof इस साल नहीं होंगे, ठीक है, इस chapter में. So the property is angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So there is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Suppose this AB side equal to this AC. This AB side equal to AC. Then what? Angle opposite to equal sides. फिर ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ equal sides के opposite angle होंगे. Suppose angle opposite to this side is angle C and angle opposite to this AC side is angle B. Then what? Angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are also what? Also equal. It means angle B is equal to angle C also. So this is your first property. ठीक है? If AB is equal to AC, then what? Angle B equal to angle C. ठीक है, अगर आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल के बीच अगर कोई भी टू साइड्स इक्वल है देन एंगल ऑपोजिट टू दैट इक्वल साइड्स आर आल्सो इक्वल. ठीक है, सो इन दिस ट्रायंगल एंगल B is equal to angle C. So this is your first property, and the second property is the sides opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. So it is the vice versa of this property. It means if in a triangle ABC the sides opposite to equal angles, the side opposite to equal angles, it means suppose if angle B equal to angle C, इस क्वेश्चन की दोनों प्रॉपर्टी जो गिवन है, अगर ऑलरेडी दोनों एंगल गिवन नहीं, ठीक है, इक्वल, if angle B is equal to angle C, then what? इस एंगल की जो opposite side है, which one? Side AB, and side opposite to this angle B is what? Side AC. It is also equal. It is the vice versa of this property. If angles are equal, then the sides opposite to this equal angles are also equal. It means if angle B equal to angle C, then AB equal to AC. And the first property, if sides are equal, then the angle opposite to that equal sides are also equal. So these are the two properties which we have used in this exercise 7.2. Thank you. So the next, before starting the exercise, let us see first examples. Example number 4. So the example is in triangle ABC. The triangle is given here ABC. The bisector AD of angle A is perpendicular to the side BC. So this one AD is the bisector. So bisector means which divides the angle into two equal parts. AD is the bisector of this angle A. ठीक है? So angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. These two angles are equal. And on the mode, AD is the bisector of angle A is perpendicular to side BC, and this bisector is perpendicular to this side, which is the base of this triangle, that is BC. It by perpendicular means it meets at angle 90 degree. मतलब वो 90 degree angle पे उन्होंने meet कर रहा है, ठीक है, base में. So we have to show that AD is equal to AC and triangle ABC is the isosceles triangle. So student, so you can check here this AB and AC comes in which two triangles? AB is the part of this triangle ADB and AC is the part of this triangle ACB. So we have to prove these two triangles congruent. So first you can write here in triangle ABB and triangle ACB. So we have to take any three parts equal. So which is the first part? The first part is you can write this angle. Because AD is the bisector of angle A, so you can write here angle BAD, this one is equal to this one, angle CAD, angle CAD. So these are given. You can write given, or you can say AD is the bisector of angle A. So this is the first part. The second part is AD is equal to AD. These are common. This AD side is common in both these two triangles. And the next one is this one. Angle is 90 degree because AD is perpendicular to which side? BC. So that's why angle ADB equal to angle ABC. So reason is 90 degree each. All right. So you can check here. This is the sorry. This is the side. This is angle, and this is sorry. This one is also angle. So angle, side, angle. ASA rule by ASA rule, or you can say complex rule by ASA rule. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle AC. So these two triangles are congruent. Now you can take any two parts equal by simplicity. तुसी कोई भी दो parts equal ले सकते हो. So we can take AB, this side of this triangle, and this AC of this triangle equal. So you can write AB equal to AC by what? CBCE. So this is the first part which we can put, AB equal to AC, and the second one is ABC sides of the triangle. And you all know, if in a triangle if two sides are equal, then it is a isosceles triangle. Okay, अगर triangle में कोई भी दो sides equal नहीं, तो फिर उसे लोग isosceles triangle कह सकते हैं. Therefore, a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, students. So this is your example number 4. Next example number 5. E and F are respectively the midpoints of equal sides AB and AC. So student, this is the triangle ABC in which this AB and AC are equal sides, and E and F are the midpoint of this equal sides. Means you can write here, given AB equal to AC and E and F are the midpoint of sides AB and AC respectively. So if you can multiply both sides by half, 1 by 2. अगर तुसी both side half में multiply करोगे, then what? Half of AB is AB and half of AC is EN. You can also write this. ठीक है? अगर दोनों equal sides में AB के AC, अगर तुसी उन्हें half करोगे, then what? This AE is equal to EF also. Okay? So now we have to show that this ABF is equal to CE. If you join this B point with this F and this C with E, then this you can prove this BF equal to CE also. मतलब तुसी prove करना कि BF side CE दे equal हो. So you can check here, this BF side comes in triangle this one. Name of this triangle is ABF. So I can draw this triangle separately, so you can understand clearly. Okay, ABF. This one, and the second triangle is this one, AEC. This one. Because CE is the part of this triangle, ACE. AEC. Clear, students? So you can write here name triangle ABF and triangle ACE. So to see you have to prove these two triangles congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then you can take BF equal to CE by simplicity. Okay? That's why I can take this triangle separately. So which is the first part in this two triangle ABF and ACE? The first is this one. This AB side equal to AC. It is given here AB equal to AC, because we can write AB and F respectively the midpoint of equal sides AB and AC. It means AB equal to AC. So write here AB equal to AC. This is the first part, and the second one is which one? You can check here angle A. Comes in both this triangle. This one. Angle A equal to angle A, common. Alright, and the third one is, you can check here, this one. If AB equal to AC, then half of AB is also equal to half of AC, and half of AB is what? AE, and half of AC is what? AF. So AE is equal to AF. You can check here, AF is the part of this triangle, this one, and A is the part of this triangle, ACE. So you can write here, AF equal to AE. Okay, you can write here half of the equal sides. ठीक है, जेडी equal sides का मतलब half, that is AF and AE. So you can check here, there are two sides and one angles. This side, this angle, and this side. So you can use here SAS, side angle side. So by SAS rule, triangle ABF congruent to triangle ACE. Alright, so if the triangles are congruent, then what? You can take this BF is equal to CE by CPCD. So we can take BF equal to CE by CPCD. Congruent part of the congruent triangle. So this is your student example number 5th. Next example number 6. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. So in this question, this is a triangle ABC. It is an isosceles triangle in which AB side equal to AC, and D and E are points on the base BC. These 2 points are on this base BC, such that the condition is BE is equal to what? CD. This BE is equal to this CD. Alright, so you can write here BE is equal to CD. This side BE is equal to this side CD. Clear? So if you subtract this BE from both these sides, then what we will get? Subtract BE from both sides. Then what? BE minus DE is equal to CD minus DE. So BE minus DE. BE minus DE. What will left? BD. And if you subtract CD minus DE, CD minus DE, then it is only CE. Alright. Now we have to show that AD is equal to AE. This is AD and this is AE. So you can see here this AD is the part of this triangle. This one. AD is the part of this triangle, and this AE is the part of this triangle. This is AE. Clear? So we can prove these 2 triangles congruent. The first triangle is triangle ADB, and the second one is ADC. So you can write here in triangle ADB and triangle ABC. So which is the first part which can equal? So first part is AB here, and then in the second triangle AC. It is equal here because the triangle is an isosceles. So AB is equal to AC. It is given. AB is equal to AC. Given. The second one is this BD is equal to this EC. We can prove our BD equal to CE. Alright. BD equal to CE. Proof above. And the third one is this angle B is equal to this angle C. So it is the property. ये property सिखा चुके हैं. क्या property है? Angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal. So जो angles हैं opposite sides के. Suppose these sides are equal. So the angle opposite to this side is which one? Angle C, and angle opposite to this side is which one? Angle B. It is also equal. Alright. So you can write here angle B equal to angle C. Reason? Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So you can see here this is side, this is angle, and this is side. So which criteria use here? SAS. So by SAS rule, triangle ADB congruent to triangle AEC. So after proving the triangle congruent, so we can take AD part of this triangle and AE is part of this triangle equal. So you can take AD is equal to AE by CED. It is the congruent part of congruent triangle. Okay, so this is your example number 6. Thank you.